the social media, I don't think social media will be bad because social media has so many positive impact. Example is we can easy communication with the people a long distance and short distance with us. Example, we can speak with our brother or our friend from Australia and we in Indonesia. They will make me easy communication and we can know get information from our friend in other country, like that. Okay, number two, social media can be a easy place to share information and to get information. Example, about the ISIS or something, we can find in social media too, because in social media not only one people in there, there's so many people in there, just like from professor, actor, artist or anything in social media. They can communication each other. So when the other people like they communication each other, they will be easy to share information and to get information. Okay, number four, social media can make me get money. Why? Because in social media we can easy to find award. Okay. Example, if we don't get award in our true life, we see a newspaper or we talk to our friend, how can we get the job? Of course, we use social media to communication with someone to get a job. Just like with a producer or director, we can talk to him if we get any award to us, we can talk to him to get his award. Because when the social media will be deleted or will be abolished, they will make communication will be so hard. Communication will be so hard, and about information will be little loss about that. This only.
So how many points do you prove on your side?
Four.
Four.